The Lord Jesus said, "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give unto you, not as the world giveth, give I unto you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid." This is comfort, guys. We can hold this. And this verse is taken from John chapter 14 and verse 27. Don't think about the war, the tribulation. I know it's scary, but the Lord said, "I give you peace." All these things got to come to pass. Let's continue reading for a bit. "Heard now I said unto you, I go away and come again unto you. If he love me, he would rejoice, because I said I go unto the Father, for the Father is greater than I." And now I'm told you that he's going to come back.